Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about on how to compare secure virtual data room providers. Key factors to consider when comparing VDR providers. Security features. Make sure to compare the security features of different VDR providers. For example, you may want to consider if VDR provider that offers encryptions, access control, and audit trails. As of use, make sure to compare this area of use of different video providers. The video should be easy to use for both you and end user. Customer support. Make sure to compare the customer support of different video providers. This is important in case you have any problems with the VDR or need help in using it. Pricing. Compare the pricing of different video providers. VDRs can vary in price, so be sure to compare pricing from different providers before making a decision. Other factor to consider: compliance. If you subject to a specific compliance requirements, make sure to compare the compliance features of video providers. Compare the features of different video providers. For example, some video providers other features such as collaborative annotation tool and discussion forums. Then integration. If you use any other software applications, and make sure to compare the integration of different video providers. How to evaluate video providers. Read review, request demos, and ask questions. Read online reviews of different video providers to get a sense of their reputation and the quality of the product and services. Request demos from different video providers so that they can try out their products and see which one is best fit for your needs. Ask the video provider questions about the security features and as of use, customer support, pricing, and other factors that are important to you. How to select the right video provider. Compare feature and pricing. Compare the features and pricing of different video providers to find one that is offer the best value for your money. Consider your needs. Consider your specific needs and requirements when choosing a video provider. For example, if you need a video for due diligence during an M&A transaction, you will need a video provider that offers specific features such as document management and audit trails. Read the contract carefully before signing a contract with a video provider. Be sure to read the contract carefully and make sure that you understand all the terms and conditions. And the last conclusion: comparing different video providers is an important step in choosing right video for your needs. By following these tips, you can compare different video providers and choose the one that meets your needs and your security as well as use, customer support, and pricing requirements. So that's all everyone. I hope you will understand this topic. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you again.